Every step of this journey until now has been a quest to do it better than the last time. This stretch of the journey has been treacherous enough to have me questioning myself if I should even be sailing at all.
And she was like, "What's that?" Boats don't come here often, I guess.
I'm Aubrey, and since moving onto the ocean over 10 years ago with my tiny pink boat, I've been dreaming of a big, beautiful pirate ship. And finally, I did it.
All right, we've installed the starter.
My big kids are almost grown now. And we've seen the beauty of nature and the power of the wind and the magnificence of the sea. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and we are about to embark on a brand new adventure from this beautiful pirate ship. We are headed to the Panama Canal. Join us for an adventure of a lifetime.
It feels like it's been forever!
For all of you who are wondering who the strange man is on our dinghy, it's Jordan's man friend. It's parts delivery. Christmas Santa parts delivery. Right. Whoa. It's good. You're like a ballerina.
Okay. Ready? Please stop. Good job. High five, Violet. Okay, we are gonna go check out this turtle sanctuary that's supposed to be pretty cool. I don't know anything about it, but I guess you can pet them. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's Violet's favorite.
It's a turtle releasing.
Okay.
They're like little drunk people.
Yeah, I think that she's.
I got my.
Violet, it's a tequila zoo.
Violet, Rita?
Look, what's that? What's in there? Looky,
Violet, Rita?
looky, what's in there? Ooh, look in there.
It's mezcal.
Oh, it makes me want to stay an extra day. Even though we're not sleeping.
After a very long walk carrying a very large baby, by the time we eventually reached the entrance of the turtle zoo, Violet had fallen asleep. We walked back to the boat and decided to pull anchor and head 3 miles south to a little bay called SMLS. We were hoping to find a new anchorage that was a little less rolly.
Just a short 3 nautical mile sail over to Port Angel, and I came here last time and it was dark. There's a sunken car and it was super scary. There's all of these rocks. It's so beautiful, but it's a little tricky. We're trying to avoid these pongueros, so we put out about 125 feet in 36 feet.
Yeah, we want that girl.
And now
It will go down lower, but we're trying to figure out how tight.
we're anchoring. Just got a ZARP. We have to come back tomorrow because actually it was really funny. They didn't even know how to give us a ZARP, which a ZARP is like how you check your boat in and out of port here, which you need to do at every port. And she was like, "What's that?" Boats don't come here often, I guess. Oh, whoa. What are you doing, Happy? Yeah, it's a cute little bay. It's pretty protective. It hasn't been too rolly. We're gonna go hunt down an OXO for Savannah so she can get the Mexican version of ding dongs, ho-hos. And yeah, see what this is all about. This other beach in front of me here is super steep. Support captain. Hi, my baby. Baby, what are you doing? Oh no, what is that? So Savannah's been touring OXOs. This one I think is like maybe a 4.
For as much as we love Port Angel, it is very dirty. The people are so kind, and we felt safe. But there was just garbage everywhere, which always breaks our heart because it ends up in the sea. The stuffing box is still leaking. But at this point, I've made an executive decision to just keep us afloat until we can haul out and do a proper fix in Panama. Over the course of this trip, we've become very competent in fixing anything below the floorboards. And I'm feeling really good about that, although I'm tired.
Well, we've got it as good as it's going to get for today. I'm gonna go back to my editing. It's not a drip per minute, but it's not a steady stream, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's the engine alignment. I don't think that it's a bent shaft. So that's where we're at. Jordan's gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna edit a video, and then she's going to swap out the bilge pump for the diaphragm pump, which I fixed the other night without you guys.
Better than a beef stir fry.
Another great use for baby diapers. Eat out of there.
Basically.
The rolly anchorage is starting to show in the fire in my eyes. I'm so tired. We're about to go have a beach picnic though, so that should be good. I've been editing some things for you. We've got our girls getting ready to swim. This is really cool. This little like
You want another one?
how does it know to turn around like that?
I don't know, some practice. I mean, how's the beach area? I follow you around.
And I just started the engine and the alternator's not charging the battery bank, but on the Balmar display down below, it's showing that we're getting voltage. So I think the coils are good. I think that's what you call them, coils. But I think that we have a faulty connection maybe on the ground wire, and then upon further inspection, it seems like it's a little corroded, so I'm gonna sand it. We're due for an oil change, so we're gonna do that too. Jordan is helping me get all the things, and also the generator's not working. So we're gonna pull the faceplate off of that where all the electronics are. It seems like when you, like it's like there's some kind of fault there and the on-off switch is like crossing wires or something. I don't know. It's super rusty. Esteban left it out for an entire season on the dock while I was gone, and it is rusted to shit. What I really want is either a genset installed, but that's super expensive. It's like 20 grand. Or I would love one of those Whisper Honda generators. They're like 3,800 bucks. So that's probably on the horizon for us.
After all of that fiddling around with the systems that didn't work, we decided to hop off the boat and reset. We do a little exploration of Port Angel before we set off to the next stop.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you can't wait until next time, check me out on The Daily Show. You can find the links below. Or go to sailingtheslonestar.com.
Good morning, world. Good afternoon, world. I've been editing. We're gonna go into shore. Tomorrow is the big day of the big Tehuantepec crossing, and I'm a little nervous. I don't know. I'm not nervous. I have nerves. This has been planned and replanned and double-checked and triple-checked by other sailors, so I feel good about it. I think I'm just gonna feel really good once I get past this Chiapas point on the map, because it's kind of like my failing point from last time. So that's gonna be a thing. Today is, yeah, it's a good day. We're gonna head into shore. We're in San Agustin, which is a really cool little spot. We just came from San Angel, and that was a pretty spot, but it was kind of dirty. So we're gonna take everyone in, we're gonna beach land this dinghy and go see if we can find some fuel. So let's go.